Here at Chris Myers Automall, we have this beautiful 2018 Yukon SLT SUV still under factory warranty and priced to move. GMC made these Yukons as comfortable as they are rugged. On the outside, you'll find turn signal indicated mirrors, 20-inch polished aluminum wheels, a power liftgate, and a towing hitch. Inside, the list of amenities just keeps going. Remote start, keyless entry, memory seats, and push-to-start technology are just a few of the luxuries you'll find. Leather seating for 7 and power-release second-row bucket seats will keep everyone comfortable, and the 8-inch LCD display with Bluetooth technology will keep you connected on the road. If you've been looking for a full-size SUV at a great price, you should come take a look at this one before it's gone. With less than 25,000 miles, this Yukon comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. Don't wait or it will be gone. Call Chris Myers Automall at 251-626-2641 or visit us on the web at www.chrismyers.com for more information and to schedule your test drive. That's 251-626-2641.